All right, we're topping off some fluids before we head out.
Can you pump the gas? Car brakes?
Pumping brakes. Oh yeah, that's my job. Leg action. This is a 1970 Land Cruiser, Toyota inline, 6-cylinder, 3.9 liter with new beefy off-road tires. We got Iron Man nitro gas shocks, folding windshield, duct tape roll bar, new sticky tires under lock and key.
Are you getting more pressure? No.
I don't know. It feels the same. It feels great.
Okay, cool.
I don't know. I hope I didn't break anything. Just pumping away.
Yeah, just keep pumping.
Okay.
Dude. Yeah, keep pumping. Push it all the way down.
It is all the way down. I don't want to break it. That's the end.
Break it, dude. This is like one of the most. I'm watching it go down. Keep going. This is one of the most unbreakable fucking cars in the world, dude. You're not
I'm gonna break this.
thing.
You can't say that to me. You know I'm gonna break this thing.
When I start taking corners, you can't have that phone in here. I've lost phones in this car.
What? My leg's getting tired, guys. I'm gonna risk higher.
Okay.
Hold on. We need.
Push it and hold.
Okay, pushing and holding. Oh,
Okay, pump.
it's too much. Okay, pump.
You got good pressure? It was more than before?
I don't know. I didn't drive it, dude.
Okay.
You check it.
Sure.
All right, away we go. Tires, brakes, no steering wheels. I mean, no seatbelts,
You know what a really good sled?
no doors.
Sorry?
Sure.
Try it again.
Sorry, making videos. I might not be fixing anything, but I'm making cool videos.